Sari! Hi friends, we are going to make a holiday slime. First we need glue. We also need contact lens solution and some food coloring, holiday glitters, and some spatulas to mix the slime. Put the glue in the bowls. Let's do 5 drops of red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's mix it. Oh, I did 2 more drops.
Once you've mixed the color, we're going to add the activator. So it's 1 tablespoon of the activator. We're using a contact lens solution. Once I place it, mix it with the glue. There you go. Mix well, mix well, mix well, mix well. Mix it well until you get the
Moist.
There you go.
It smells like strawberry.
Keep mixing it
It smells like
until it
strawberry.
becomes until you get that texture of a slime. So mix. Once you've mixed the activator and the glue, we are going to slowly add the 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we're going to slowly add the baking soda to form the slime. Mix it, Sari. Mix it well.
I can see it.
And there you go. You've made a slime, Sari.
Let's make green slime. Let's put the green food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's mix it. Let's add the activator.
Keep mixing.
We are going to put more green. Mix, 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 mix. Now let's put baking soda. Wow, it's forming. I'll use my hands. There's my green slime. Let's make white with glitters. Will be fun. Contact solution. Baking soda. Let's add the glitters. We are going to put rainbows and stars. I'll use my hands. Ooh.
And so you can use these as gifts, as presents. We're gonna put them in a container.
Let's put some more stars on the top. Now let's close it. There you go. Holiday slime. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Happy holidays.